Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring a clean working state, so commit or stash local changes and close Xcode. Then copy the entire Xcode proj or XC workspace and the project folder to a new directory name. This preserves build settings. Make sure you also copy source folders, assets, xassets, and info. Plist files, otherwise targets will break. Once done, open the duplicated project in Xcode to begin adjusting identifiers and references, so the copy becomes an independent, working project. Now you adjust the duplicated project's identity. Open the target settings and change the product name plus the bundle identifier so it won't conflict with the original. Then update info. Plist entries, entitlements, and provisioning profiles to match the new identifier. Next, scan the project navigator for red file references, remove broken paths, and re-add files using the new folder. Make sure path types are relative to the project, so moving the folder later won't break links, and update any script phase paths that reference the old name. Finish by syncing dependencies. Run pod install, resolve Swift Package Manager packages, or rebuild Carthage framework so the duplicated project has the same libs. Then clean the build folder and run on a simulator or device to verify compile and runtime behavior. If you hit errors, inspect build settings, search paths, header maps, and framework links. Also verify target schemes and signing identities. One key troubleshooting tip: if builds fail, compare the original project's build settings side by side to catch any mismatched paths or entitlements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.